blender brush, I'm gonna use these colors, yellow and cream, for my transition shade. So spread it all over the crest area. And then the next shade is this one. This is the second shade. Brush it evenly with a clean blender in a circular motion, and make sure that it's even. So you can even do, if you want it darker, you can do another layer for this one. Get your blender brush, the clean one, and then you just have to remove the harsh lines so that it's nice looking. This is my mini flame brush, so this is to emphasize the outer corner of my eye. So just do it in a circular motion, so like that. I won't put too much of the dark color, as I want this look just medium, not so dark and not so light. So this will be my last layer for the outer corner of my eye. With my flat brush again, I'm gonna be using this Infallible Full Wear from Loreal Paris, since I wanted to have a very bright color on the third portion of my eyes. So I'm looking up to see where I can stop the white portion. So it's like a moon shape or something. Yeah, then put powder on top of it so that it's not sticky, and then I'll put this another shade, still brighter. So with a flat brush or a blending brush, blend it well so that there's no harsh lines, and do the other side. With my flat brush, I want to outline my cut crease so that it will pop more, and I think it looks pretty well. For my lower lash line, I will be using this. And then the eyebrows. Let's put some shimmer on my eyes, especially in the tear duct, and also around my brow bones.
A few moments later.
I wanted to have a bigger eye look, so I'm using this white pencil from BYS, and then I'm putting some shimmery stuffs around the nose, on my lip tip, to add more shimmers to make it look more glowy. So I think this makeup turns pretty well. It's kind of simple, and yeah, I'm so happy I did this look. So now, curling time! I am using this mermaid curler, so I purchased this online for, I don't know, I forgot the price. On my side, I don't want it very curly, so I just want loose curls So it really depends on you if you prefer very curly or just loose curls. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. You can do it by yourself. It's so simple, and I don't even use a hairspray. I think you're wondering why my two kids are around. They're waiting for their turn, actually, because they wanted to use my space. Why? Why you did not find?
I don't know.
If your skin is too oily, you can brush your whole face with a powder. So I'm using Into It. This is my powder ever since. And then the final touch, so that your makeup lasts long, I'm spraying this from L'Oreal. It's a spraying mist. I think it's just to make the makeup stay longer. So this is the final look. Look at that. Look at that lashes of mine. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the final look. It's kind of simple. I just have difficulty putting the fake eyelashes, but I think it's fine. Yeah. I'm taking this video with my new lighting effect, and it looks really good, especially if you want to take pictures. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.